I'm standing at the town of Capernaum, where Jesus considered his town. This is where he lived. There's a lot of miracles that happened in here, and so I'd like to take you in, but this is a really special place right here on the shore of the Galilee. Standing in front of the first century synagogue where Jesus taught in this synagogue. This synagogue was redone in the 4th or 5th century, but where Jesus was teaching was right underneath here. They've just built on top of it. You can see where the old homes were, where actually they would come out of the synagogue and go right over to Peter's house, where we will go in a minute. But right here is where Jesus said in John 6:35, he said, "Whoever eats from my flesh and drinks my blood has eternal life, and I will raise him up on the last day." This is where Jesus said that, right here in this synagogue here in Capernaum. I'm standing right now in front of Peter's house where Jesus healed Peter's mother-in-law. They would have come right from the synagogue right here to Peter's home. This is also where the paraplegic was lowered down through this roof to get healed by Jesus. He said, "Pick up your mat and go." Right here at Peter's home, right here where Jesus considered his hometown in Capernaum. Look at the ruins. They're absolutely magnificent from the 1st century.